Hi, Chuck Brewer, Director of Operations for CTI. Today I'm here with Sonny Restivo, CEO and owner of CTI, and we're doing a product breakdown. Today we're going to be talking about tooling, diamonds for grinding the concrete. But before you can grind the concrete, you really need to understand what kind of concrete you're grinding. Is it soft, medium, or hard? And that's a question we get asked, Sonny. So we recommend you get a Mohs test. What this will do is tell you the hardness of the concrete. You can get these online. Sonny, you said you might post a link to it?
Yeah, we could put a link, Amazon. Yep.
Pretty simple item to use, but I will tell you, if you're not the one selling the job, you have sales guys out there, they need to be equipped with this. Because what they're going to do is, in the process of selling the job and taking the order, or making the sell, as I should say, they can test that concrete with a Mohs test. So once they know the hardness of the concrete, it goes onto your sales sheet. So when your installers go out, they know what style blades to bring. With the new blades, I'm going to let Sonny go through this, but I just wanted, the one that really caught my eye is the oscillator. You know, for years as a dealer, I've kind of struggled on what to do in them corners, everything down to using a Dremel, dude.
Sandpaper, razor blades,
screwdriver. This is a game changer to me. This is a diamond impregnated oscillating tool for the corners. It's amazing. I think it's awesome.
Yeah. Another good thing you can use that for, it takes a little while, but if you've got, up the wall a little bit and you need to remove something or just smooth out, that's perfect for that, instead of trying to get your
flat grinder and there might not be enough space for the blade. Yeah, good point.
Up the edge of a step or something like that. Very, very useful tool. As Chuck said, and to go along, as you know, we've always carried, and we still carry our 7-inch cup wheels, our 4.5-inch cup wheels for our hand grinders, and we'll always carry those. These are the tooling that will go on your on-floor. If you have an on-floor, they go on Lavinas, they go on Edcos, Bartels, Warriors. If you have a question if these will fit yours, just give us a call. We will make sure that they are compatible with your machine. And each machine is different. You might have a 3-head, a single head. Just know whenever you're calling, we need to understand which one you have. If you have a 3-head, these come 3 to a box, but that's only going to go on 1 head. So you will actually need 9 to fill a 3-head machine.
3-headed machine, yes.
We're going to have these in your double bar, and we'll have them from extra soft to extra hard. Again, Mohs test is going to let you know which one that you need, and that is super important. I can't stress enough, know your hardness so you don't blow through diamonds or get there and it's just bouncing and glazing. So we'll have a double bar, which is going to that's going to be for your heavier machines for the most part. Your lighter machines like on floor, you may want to go with a single bar. And we have these, most of what we have in stock is going to be your 30 grit. That's going to be, for the most part, 90% of your jobs, you're going to use a 30 grit for
coating
prepping,
removal,
coating
paint,
removal,
things of that nature.
On a coating removal, we're also going to have what's called a PCD, but it's also it has a grind, so it's a cut and grind. These you definitely have to let us know. We've got to make sure we send you the right one, because these are counterclockwise. Some machines are clockwise. So we definitely have to know what machine you have before we send this out. You can't just order them. You got to let us know counterclockwise or clockwise. But that's a phenomenal tool. You're going to use that for removing an old overlay.
Yep.
Epoxies. This will get up in there. It's a
tungsten carbide.
Yep, carbide that's going to just rip it up instead of trying to grind from top to bottom.
It's like a coatings ice cream scoop, at a lack of better analogies.
Yeah, it just rips it up. The bush hammer, same concept, except it is not going to smooth it all after. It is just going to rip it up. It is a demolition tool, for lack of a better, if you've got an overlay that you need to just rip off, this thing will do it.
It will pulverize it.
Yep. And now after using this, it is going to leave some. You're going to have some areas that still have some overlay on it. That's when you'll either come and finish it off with that PCD blade to smooth it out, or put your single bars just to get a nice smooth and remove the remainder. of whatever you're trying to get up off.
Guys, we are not in the diamond industry. The main reason that we carry these diamonds is for convenience for you guys. So you're not running all over town trying to get diamonds, and that's time that you're not on a job. That's downtime. So we're offering them as a convenience. We are very, competitive with our pricing. I think you're going to find if we're not at the same or less, then you're buying them without spending your time running all over the place. So it is more of a convenience thing. Just like with the squeegees that we carry, everything's labeled. We're trying to make it more of a one-stop shop. So when you place your orders, from materials to tooling to squeegees, we've got it all for you.
And a little added note to this, if you do, or if you're in the market for a grinder, there's a lot of grinders out there from $30,000 to you can get one for a few $1,000s. But we've kind of partnered with On Floor. It is not, your high-end Lavina, and we don't market it at that, and they don't market it at that. But it is a excellent tool grinder for most of what we do.
Yes, I mean, residentially or even, small commercial jobs, it will fit the bill.
Yeah, it is a 20-inch, it's almost 300 pounds. This tooling fits on every one of these will fit on that On Floor. It will go indoors.
Yes.
You can put it in the back of your truck. Two people can lift it up.
Which is a game changer when you've got to take a machine around to the back deck and it weighs 900 pounds. You're bringing plywood, laying it across the grass so it doesn't sink up. This machine, literally 2 guys can pick it up and maneuver it, and it's it's electric. It's a 110 volt.
110, yep. It also attaches very well. Our US Saws vac will run it very well. You can actually run it and a hand grinder at the same time on that machine with a T. So we got a lot of options for you for prepping. Those are running right now right at $8,000 for that grinder. And then we could build you in the tooling and all as well.
Thanks for watching this product breakdown. Remember, just hit the QR code for more technical information.